Hello guys, welcome back to CreativeProcessDIY. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Allen & Roth Harlow Bathroom Sink Faucet. This faucet is the easiest to install. Now let's open the box and see what we have inside. We have installation instructions, pop-up assembly, and a faucet itself with a gasket and mounting nuts. We're doing a complete remodel of the bathroom, so I'm gonna be installing this faucet on the new sink. If you need to remove your old faucet, first shut off the water supply and then remove the old faucet. Place the faucet assembly through the mounting holes in the sink. Remove the top gasket and nut from the top gasket and pop-up body. Insert the pop-up body into the sink. From underneath the sink, install the bottom gasket and nut assembly onto the pop-up body by twisting clockwise until secure. Secure the faucet to the sink using the mounting nuts provided. Hand tighten only. I purchased two flexible stainless steel faucet supply lines and now I'm gonna install them. My adjustable wrench is too big, so I'm gonna use pliers to tighten the connections. Do not over tighten. Attach the water supply lines to the faucet. Tighten, but not over tighten, using an adjustable wrench. Now when everything is installed, we can turn on the water and check for leaks. Put a paper towel or toilet paper under the sink and if it's gonna leak, we will see it. The water is on and now we don't have hot water because hot water heater is not installed yet. Unfortunately, I did not record this part, but this is really important part of the installation, so follow instructions on the picture. I'm gonna turn on cold water and we'll check everything for leaks. Looks like we don't have any leaks at this moment, but I wanna wait for a few minutes just to make sure that we don't have any leaks. And looks like we got a leak. To fix this, we need to tighten the gasket. So I just tightened the gasket and I'm gonna use paper towel to remove water from the previous leak. I'm gonna turn on the water again and now looks like we don't have any leaks. And this is it. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.